John Rush here, West Coast Classic Cougar. Hey, today we're talking about seat frames, and it's always the driver's side that fails, for obvious reasons. And it's the lower portion that fails. And I'm here to tell you that you probably shouldn't buy the very expensive offshore replicas on our website. Why? Because you can usually fix yours. Let's walk through them. 67 can come apart in any fashion. Sometimes they just did really crappy welds down here. Once you pull your upholstery off, a lot of times you'll find out what the problem is and weld it. These were a really cheesy design. That broke. That's a failure point right there. But it's not too hard to fabricate something to fix that. On this side, you can use, I had it here. Here it is. You can buy some Dorman type things and take out this stud and replace it. That's doable for a guy with a little skills. In 68 and 69, they made it easier because they had a frame that was conducive to a repair bracket. So here's your old broken off stud, which I had to take some slag off of it. And you put this on here. It tells you where to put your hole. And you drilled a hole in it. You put a bolt in it. You put a nut in it. And you're done. Now keep in mind, all of these seats, believe it or not, left and right can be interchanged. You don't have to do anything to the 71 through 3 to change them over. But these ones, you know, if you just switch the studs, you can do it. You know, you got your hatch bracket here, so you'd have to drill holes on the other side. And then 67, here's where your bumper is for your seat stop. See, they've already pressed it for that area, so you'd have to put a couple holes there. No big deal. So that's an easy fix. I say if you're getting an upholstery kit, buy this proactively. You'll get in there, you'll see cracks. Just do it. This is a good little bracket to have. 71 through 3, it's always the backs that crack. And you don't have to buy one from us. You can weld your own, because that's what we do. Before we send you them, we take the upholstery off, and we weld them inside and out, bead blast them a little bit, and you're ready to go. So I hope that empowers you to get out and fix your own seat and not spend hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on an offshore, maybe not as good quality product.